Here are your exercises for this initial art with computers or art with programming project. In our case, we are using Python as the language and Matplotlib for plotting. But you can use any software or plotting tool of your choice and see if you can draw this. Okay, this pattern or this image. It may initially look a little complex, but if you pay attention, there is actually one circle in the center which in turn is engulfed or surrounded by 6 other circles of the same size. Okay, so if you can find these 6 center points, this image is fairly easy to draw. Once you do this, what we really are after is this image. Okay, this is sometimes referred to as a flower of life dash 6, because others also exist. So it is the same pattern that we saw above, except that all the petals or all the sides have been ripped off. So you just have the center circle and 6 arcs in there. So using circles and arcs, you create this pattern. That's your exercise number 2. If you do this, you're done with exercise 2. And if you're able to do this, save this as a callable function. So each time you call it, given the center, it will plot this. And then you can actually do something interesting. You can even create a whole tile effect where over and over you can call it, and then you can draw it, which is what I have done here. Again, I use Python and Matplotlib. To make it a little easy for you, I have 1 or 2 videos in which I show you how to draw ellipses, circles, and arcs. That might be helpful, so you can watch that. And then good luck on trying this. Okay.